Everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm back with another haul, and this is a small haul I did this week. I was able to go to Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and Hobby Lobby had a sale this week on their trims and ribbon in spools. So I did grab a couple of ribbon right here. I just wanted the teeny tiny, not tiny, but like the narrow width. This is only 1/8 inch by 5 yards, and they were 50% off, so I got it for $1. And then also this one is also 1/8 inch, and this one looks like it's sheer, and I wanted to make little tiny bows. It's kind of hard to see, but I believe it's sheer. And then this one, I bought this before, so this is a repurchase. It has polka dots on it, and again, it's really thin ribbon. But the main ribbon that I went there for was this right here, because I didn't have any more. And again, this was 50% off, so $4.99. I got it for $2.50. And then I remember seeing, I think it was Erica that hauled this, and I hadn't bought these kind of wide ribbon for a while. So I went ahead and got it, and I thought I'd go ahead and check it out. I wanted to make some bows, but it's PVC Confetti, and you get 8 inches, and it's 24 inch by 8 inch. So it's really pretty. I love how like festive it looks. And then I saw Jan haul this. I don't remember when it was, but it might have been like 2 weeks ago or more. And they had the cherries, and I thought these are so cute. So again, for ribbon making, or bows, not ribbon making, but bows. And then they also had the lemons. So I thought, oh, how pretty is that? And hopefully this is thin enough. Hopefully I don't have to use my steel rule dies, but I might have to, because it looks, this one's kind of thick. This one might be pretty thin. So anyway, I got those trims. And then the his and hers were also on sale, which is the wedding section. I went ahead and got some of these because I didn't even know they carried them, but these are lamb's ear, and I remember I was trying to get these at Dollar Tree at one point. Anyway, 50% off again, so it was only $1, and so I went ahead and got them. They're great for decorating your tiered trays, so thought I'd go ahead and share that. And then I was going to get a die, but then I refrained from getting any dies. But the Sizzix, some of the dies were 40% off. I didn't get any dies, but I did get another cutting pad because they're normally $12.99, and I might as well get it while it's on sale. So, I was able to get it for less than $8. Because normally I'm always paying over $8 for them nowadays since there's no coupons. So anyway, and then at Michael's I only got a couple of paper packs since they were on sale. It's buy one regular price and get the second one 50% off, and I needed some more 110-pound cardstock. So I did grab a couple of those, the pink and the blue pack. So I ended up getting these at Michael's. And again, one was 50% off. So I got the ballerina, which consists of these colors right here. So I mostly use these three right here. Not so much the dark one, but that's how it comes in a pack. And then couldn't remember if I got this shade of blue before, but this one's Ocean, and it has these colors, and these two are probably the most that I'm going to be using. So those are 110-pound cardstock. which I'm always in need of, especially when I'm doing my projects for my design team. Okay, and then, so let me just show you what I ended up doing with those spools of white ribbon. Like I said, I wanted to make bows. So here's the PVC one. I think they came out so cute. And because they're clear, I used just a dab of hot glue, but I actually sewed this. So I made 2 holes. So I took my Euro punch, I made 2 little holes there, and then I just sewed it using this thread right here, which is the, I think it's DMC thread, and then just wound it around, and then just put a dab of hot glue, just teeny tiny, so it will stay in place. So I did 2 larger ones right here, and for that one I did use this die right here that I got. I can't remember now if I got this from Ali or if it was from Amazon, but you know, it did come from China. And it creates these bows. I did trim down the tail though, because the tail is quite big, so they make these bows right here. And then these tiny ones here, I actually used Erica's bow layered bows. They're the small layered bows. I used the largest one, which is this one right here, and then that tail. However, it cuts, but not all the way through. So I did have to use some scissors to, you know, cut it. But it was okay. It was easy. It wasn't too hard to do. But after I had done a couple of these, or 3, I think I did, yeah, 2 of these, I decided, you know what, let me just try my steel rule die. And I did, and I made these bigger ones. So those are that. And then using the same steel rule die here, I did create the cherries. So look how cute they are. So cute. So those are, and then I did use hot glue on these because they are faux leather, and the reverse side kind of has that fuzzy, you know, type of material on, you know, so you can use hot glue for these because it will stay. So I did the cherries, and then I did the lemons. And I think these came out so pretty as well. Look how cute, right? So yeah, these were fun to make. So that's it. That is my haul and tiny project share for you guys. So I hope everyone has a wonderful Easter, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.